Guys, Mrs. Heisey here, back to assemble our pen. So this is our final step. Once you have both of your pieces for your pen completed, all right, this is going to be the tip part of my pen, and this is going to be the end of my pen as I put it together. You will get a little pen kit from me. It'll come in a bag, and you're going to have a whole bunch of different little parts. You can kind of see them. I have them right here in the front for you. You have the heel of it. That'll put all of our pieces together. Everything's going to come individually in a little bag, so you're going to have to open these bags. I can tell you right now, there's a little trick to this. You might not think so, but a lot of people just try and tear it open and it's hard. All you do is just put your finger together like this and just twist, and the bag will open right up, okay? So these little bags can get thrown away. I recommend keeping the larger bag that everything comes in so you can put your finished pen in there so it doesn't get scratched up and stuff like that. So we're going to start with our assembler. If you look at this, I just mounted it onto a piece of wood. You will notice on here, oops, there goes that, step 1, step 2, step 3. So this end portion right here can actually lock into all the places. You want to take that and line it up with step number 1. So I'm just going to lift this back, move it to step number 1. It's in there nice and neat. Then I'm going to take the end and the clip of my pen, put those together, take the end of the wooden part that I made, place it on there, and then I simply place it inside of here, and I'm going to use the handle, nice and lightly guiding it in. I just push it in there, bring it back. So there is the end part. Now I got a little fuzz inside of there. There we go. All right, so that's what that part should look like. Next, we will move to step number 2, and I will take the tip of my pen with the front of my pen, place those together, and then I'm going to place this inside of here, bring this. Again, I'm guiding it in there because once you start to push it in, you're not able to get it back out. So take your time. If you need help, please, please, please ask, okay? So there we go. I have my 2 pens. Now I am going to move it to step number 3. This part is really, really, really important. You're going to take the tip, the front part of your pen, all right? And this is what's going to hold our ink inside of there. This little piece right here. You'll notice on the end there's like a little brass. I'm trying to see if you can see that a little bit better. Brass, and then it's silver. We want the brass part to go into the tip part of our pen. And now when I place this in here, you're also going to notice that there's like a little tiny ridge on there. We do not want to push that in any further. I normally say go between the brass and the silver. All right? So I'm going to take this, place it inside of here, and slowly bring it forward, again guiding it in there with your hands. Get just a little bit past that brass part, bring it out. Now we're going to do a little check. I can always push this in further, but I can't take it out, so you'd rather only go just a little bit. So then I take my pen. You'll notice there's some little plastic threads here on the end that we're going to place inside of our pen, and then you're simply going to twist it. All right, this I can twist. The pen tip comes out far enough. If I turn it, it retracts back in, so that is absolutely perfect. Then our last step is to take our little bushing in the middle, place that on the pen with your hand. Then we're going to take the end of our pen. Now I like to try and line this up before I tighten it down. You can always take it back off, but I like to look and see where the grain pattern is and stuff like that. So here I have a larger part of my grain, and same on the other side. Actually, I'm going to flip it around like that. All right, and then you just take with your hands and push it together. And voila, we have our pen. All right, so if you have any questions when you're doing any of the steps, please just let me know, call me over, I'll help you out. All right, so once you're done, there is a little plastic cap on the end here. You'll have to pick that off, but then just go ahead and turn it in for a grade and start writing away. Hope you enjoyed it.